Welcome to Henry channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to enable, disable secure boot in BIOS settings. So switch on your laptop and keep tapping F2 key. In BIOS, you will need to go to, first of all, let me show you. It's enabled. Can you see secure boot? It's grayed out, so I cannot change the settings. So what you need to go to is security, and you need to make a new supervisor password. So 1111 is very effective. You can choose any password you want, but for demonstration purposes, 1111, that's what I've chosen. And then your enter key to save. Press it again, so changes have been saved. Make sure you select F10 now to save and exit. So once the laptop restarts, keep tapping F2 again to enter BIOS. And now this will appear. Obviously, I have just enabled the password, so 1111. So let's check secure boot. Now it's giving me an option to enable or disable secure boot. So I want this disabled now. I've just selected disabled. Press F10 to save and exit now, to save the changes. Go back into BIOS. 1111. Let's confirm. Yep, it's been permanently disabled secure boot. And if you want secure boot on again, you can follow the instructions vice versa. And you can remove your BIOS password now if you want to. So it's not set. Save and exit. So next time you get into BIOS, it will not ask you for a BIOS password and secure boot will be disabled.